Hello my dear friends, how are you today? So I've made a bit of progression with our Miniart Panzer IV. As you can see, I've got one side of the shurtzen on, and it's looking pretty cool. Now that can be removable. We'll glue that on once it's all painted and stuff. But yeah, it fits, so that's all good. Then we can do a little bit of damage to it now. You know, just put a few dents and stuff into it or something. Or I could just keep it nice like that. Yeah, I've just got to do the other side over here, so I put them on, but I need no rush. Mainly want to get a lot of the details finished up, and then we can start to prime it up. Also got started on the turret. So this is only the exterior version, so you don't get the whole interior, but you get enough. So you see how you get the gun, and you get the gun sight, you get the commander seat, and you get the machine gun system there, but you don't get the gunner's seats, the loader seats, or any of the communications equipment or anything like that. And there's the top part. That's very minimal as well. So to get this sort of chipping effect, I used liquid mask by Abteilung. So I painted it in German red brown, and then once that dried, I just sort of dabbed on little bits of Abteilung masking sort of paint. I'll show you what it is. It's this stuff here. It's just sort of, yeah, liquid mask. And then I painted over the top some German beige, so REL 1001. And then once the beige dried, then you can just come along and, you know, sort of rub along the edges, and the paint comes off. It's pretty cool, not too bad. It was just something different I was trying, you know. And that goes on very well, so all good. But you can see here that the machine gun and the gun there are in two parts. So you'll have the rear part sticks on the back, and then that's completely independent of the front parts of it. Which is, I suppose, a smart way of doing it. Yeah, so that's how it's coming along. Really cool looking tank. They've done really well, Miniart. And when we get these more stuck together, they'll look a lot better. Alright guys, thank you very much.